of objects in our surroundings. Friends, today in this video, we will learn about some characteristics of objects around us through the conversation between Appu the elephant and Jaggu the monkey.
Hey Jaggu, where are you going with such a heavy box?
I'm going to Golu's birthday party.
Even I am going there. Hey Jaggu, can you also roll your box like this the way I'm rolling my ball?
Appu, how is it possible that I roll my box just like your ball?
Like this.
Appu, look at this. This is your ball. And this is my box. Just touch it and see. Is it in the shape of your ball?
No, this is not round like my ball. And it has got sharp corners on all the sides. And because it has a flat surface, it can be slided and also be moved. It is not possible to roll it, but I can surely slide and move it.
Yes, Appu. This box has corners. And its surface is also flat. This is why it cannot be rolled. Your ball is round. And that is why it can be rolled.
Okay, I have understood that object which has got curved surface, which doesn't have corners, can be rolled. And those objects which have got flat surface cannot be rolled, isn't it?
Yes, Appu.
Jaggu, what gift did you get for Golu?
I have got this pencil box and a water bottle for him.
This pencil box also has a flat surface just like your box. So you can slide and move it.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And this bottle can be rolled like this, isn't it?
Yes. We can roll this bottle and also slide and move it like this.
What is there in this pencil box?
There are two pencils in the pencil box.
Look, Jaggu, in this pencil box, the yellow pencil is longer than the blue pencil.
Yes, this means that the blue pencil is small.
Yes, the yellow pencil is long and the blue pencil is short.
Hey Appu, what have you bought for Golu?
Yes, Jaggu, I too must give a nice toy to Golu as a birthday gift.
Yes, this is a good idea.
So, will you come with me to buy the gift?
Yes, let's go.
Through Appu and Jaggu's conversation, we came to know such things about the objects around us, that objects with a round surface can roll, and that objects with a flat surface slide. By comparing two objects, we can find out about their length. You must also try to see such characteristics in the objects around you. In the next video, we will understand the characteristics of the objects around us with some examples.